Hey, you two, welcome back and happy Friday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the multi USB charging for your house. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I picked up two of this because it was on the clearance. I got this for only $6.99 each. This one original price around it is $12.99 each. So I figure I need to use a couple of them for my house. This is a Mercury Innovations Quad Multi USB charger. It has a smart charging technology. You can charge 4 devices at once, and then it has a overcurrent protection. Total amp about 4.2 amps of power. So it says you could charge, it's in Spanish. You could charge 3 of the smartphone plus 1 tablet, or 2 tablets and 2 smartphone, or 2 power banks and then 1 tablet and 1 smartphone. Other devices combination not to exceed 5 amperage. So if you exceed 5 amp, I guess it automatically shuts off and will not allow you to charge. Okay, and the input is 100 to 240 volt, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volt, 4.2 amp, and 21 watts. USB is 4 times smart charging ports. So let's go ahead and get this box. Let me take out one and see. Here's the bag. What does it look like? Oh, it is taped in. My bad. Let me get my razor blade. So it has a tape on both ends, so I can take it out. Let's see. So it comes with this instruction, quick start guide or user manual in the different languages. Okay, here it is. And then this one has a flap down or flap up. The 2 prongs right here. So it's pretty good for travel. So it says that it has LED lights indicate when devices are charging and turns off when charge is complete. Okay, so you got those 4 LED around this white cover area. Okay, 4 ports work with the iPhone, Galaxy S, Android smartphone and tablet and more. It has a built-in overcurrent protection where automatic turns on if your device try to pull too much power. Okay. But the only problem is when you plug this one in, I believe if you have a 2 outlet, it's gonna, you could only plug this one in. So if you have 2 wall outlet, it will take up the space. Okay. So I'm not sure which one is for tablet or it's automatic switching or what's going on. Because normally it will say 2.1 amp here or 1.1 amp or 1.0 amp on which slot or which plug. But unfortunately, this one does not show you which one. So hopefully it is smart switching. So it says you could charge up to 2 tablets and 2 smartphones. So we'll see. Alright, so this is my unboxing for this Mercury Innovation Quad Multi USB charger. I got this for $6.99, which is a pretty awesome price. At first, I was trying to get it before Christmas or during Christmas time, and it was around $12.99. So $6.99, you cannot go wrong. All right. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification. Please drop any other comments on below. Alright, happy Friday, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.